The DJI Mavic 3 is a groundbreaking drone that has set new standards for image quality and flight performance. Here's a breakdown of its key features and performance. Image quality. 4/3 CMOS sensor. The Mavic 3 boasts a large 4/3 CMOS sensor, which captures significantly more light than smaller sensors, resulting in stunning image quality with exceptional dynamic range and low light performance. 5.1K video. It can record 5.1K video at up to 50 FPS, delivering smooth and detailed footage. 20MP photos. Capture high-resolution still images with plenty of detail. 10-bit color depth. Supports 10-bit color depth for richer and more accurate colors. Flight performance. Extended flight time. The Mavic 3 offers impressive flight times, allowing you to capture more footage on a single charge. Advanced obstacle avoidance. Equipped with advanced obstacle avoidance sensors, the Mavic 3 can navigate complex environments with ease. Smooth and stable flight. The drone's powerful motors and advanced flight control system ensure smooth and stable flight, even in windy conditions. Additional features. Adjustable aperture. The camera's adjustable aperture allows you to control the depth of field and exposure. Hassle-free folding design. The Mavic 3 folds compactly for easy transport. Intuitive control. The DJI Fly app provides a user-friendly interface for controlling the drone and accessing its features. Overall, the DJI Mavic 3 is a fantastic drone for both professionals and enthusiasts. Its exceptional image quality, advanced features, and reliable performance make it a top choice for aerial photography and videography. However, it's worth noting that the Mavic 3 comes with a high price tag. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, you might want to consider the DJI Air 2S or Mavic Air 2. Got a feeling in my shoulder.